Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kalusli Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. What we discussed in last period, we discussed about the paint. How to open the paint, step to open the paint. How to open the paint? Click on the start button, all program, accessories, and then we will get the paint window. Then in that paint we can draw and we can give color and we can save this file for afterwards use, and we can discuss how to open the already exit file. Now we will see more about the paint. We will start our next chapter. Chapter number 7. Chapter name is Paint More Tools of Toolbox. Means now we will discuss about the more tools of the toolbox. Whichever tools are there and what is the use of that tools, we will see here. Firstly, we will see how to open the paint window. How to open the paint window? Click on the start button, then all program, then accessories, then we will get the paint. Then we will get the, click on the start button, all program, accessories, and then paint. We will get the paint window to write. We can draw, we can write, and we can give color to that shape also. These are the different tools are there. First one is a title bar. These three are control buttons. These are the menu bar. This one is office button, and these are tools. You can see here clipboard, image, tools, shape, and colors are there. Now we will start our lesson. Now we will learn about the various tools in the paint window and the different functions they can perform in the drawing area. What is the use of the tool and what is the means why we are using this tool, we will see here. When you open a new file, now paint window is our new file, then by default a pencil tool is selected. Means whenever we take the new file, whenever we open the paint window, then which tool is by default open? Pencil tool. Good. Note, you can switch between the tools by clicking on the beside tool on the ribbon. Desired tool on the ribbon, whichever tool we want. First, only one single click can select this. We can select the tool whichever we want. Means suppose pencil tool is open and we want to eraser tool. Then what to do? Take your cursor on the eraser and click on the mouse left button. Then we will get the eraser. Now we will see our first number tool is a pencil tool. First number tool is pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? Function. This tool is used to draw in a free hand. If you want to draw the drawing free hand, then we will use the pencil tool. Now step. How to take the pencil tool and how to draw using the pencil tool. First step is open the paint window. How to open the paint window? Yes, loudly. How to open the paint window? Click on the start button, all program, accessories, and then paint. And click on the pencil tool. Click on the pencil tool. One can select a color from the color box to get a line in a color. Means we can draw black line and we can draw colorful line also. Firstly, select the pencil tool, and if you want to change the color of this pencil, if you want to change the color of this line, then we can select the line and afterwards we can draw. Step 2. Click the mouse left button. Mouse left button. How many buttons mouse have? 3. Which are they? Left button, right button, and middle one is a scroller button. When we are using the pencil tool, we must have to press the mouse button continuously. Which button? Left button. Press the mouse left button continuously. Next, third step, bring the mouse pointer into the drawing area. Means tools are upper side. Firstly, click. How to click? Take the cursor there and click the mouse left button, and then afterwards it is a drawing area. Bring the cursor to the drawing area. We will see practically. Firstly we will read it, and click and drag the computer mouse to draw an object. Click and draw the computer mouse to draw an object, example flower, mountain, etc. How to draw? Only press the mouse left button continuously and move your hand and move the mouse. For drawing by using pencil, we can draw different flowers, mountain, whatever we want to draw, we can draw. In last period, we draw, what we draw? Yes, we draw spelling of welcome by using pencil tool. And last one step is, select the different color from the color box and draw different object with pencil tool. What is the homework or what is the lab activity they given? Select the different colors. Select the different colors. Where is the colors? Colors is in a color box. From the color box and draw the different object with the pencil tool. Draw the different object means, suppose this is a flower. It is a flower, leaf, stream. These are the different parts of this flower, and draw the different color for that different parts. How to draw? We will draw flower. It is paint window. Right? Where is the pencil tool? Here. Take the cursor. You can see the cursor. Where is my cursor now? In the pencil tool. First one tool. Then click the mouse left button. You can hear the voice. Click one time only. And then draw. We will take red color and we will draw the flower. How to draw? Press the mouse left button continuously and then drag the mouse. Without pressing, if you move the mouse, then line will not draw. Okay. Now we will draw. Pencil tool is already selected. Now we will take green color. And leaf color is also green. Then green color is already selected. We will draw leaf. Clear everyone? How to draw by using pencil tool? We can take different color and we can draw different thing, different picture. Mountain, flower, apple. We can draw different things. And how to save it? Click on the paint button and then save. Already our class 2nd folder is open. How to open it? Desktop. Then what we given name? We given class 2nd and then we will write name flower. then we will save it. You can see the name will be, we can see this name in a title bar. Clear about the which tool we discussed? Yes, first tool is pencil tool. Now we will take new. How to take a new? And new. Paint button and new. Second one is a brush tool. What is the use of brush tool? Brush tool function means what? Use of the brush tool. It is used for drawing object with thick line. Brush tool is we can draw object by a thick line, but thicker as a pencil tool. The brush tool is like a pencil tool. It is like a pencil tool, but line is only thick. Only difference is that. However, it has some extra feature like shapes and size which can be modified. Means the size of this line, we can take a different size of this line. Brush tool are square, round and slanted in shape. Means there are a different brush tool, different shapes are there. Which are they? Square, round and slanted, which are available in the toolbox. Where is this brush tool? In the toolbox. Now we will see step 2 draw by using the brush tool. First step is select the brush tool by left clicking on it. For each and everything, which thing we must have to select, which thing we want, we must have to select the mouse left button for selecting. Select the shape and size from the option. Means we want to thick line, thin line. Which line we want to draw? Select this line. Third one, the mouse pointer will change to the selected shape. The mouse pointer afterwards selected to mouse pointer will change to the selected shape. And fourth one, bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area, where we can draw on the drawing area. And where is the brush tool? On their toolbox. Select here and afterwards bring the cursor to the drawing area and draw the object as required. Clear how to draw? We will draw practically. You can see about the pencil tool we discussed. Now we will see about the brush tool. Different brush tool. Brush. Second one is calligraphy brush, brush 2, airbrush. We will take this brush, this round shape. How to draw? By using here. How to draw? By using this. You can see. We will draw one line of this shape. Firstly, go click here and click the whichever shape we want. Click here and press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. Second one finish. Then third one we draw. It is like a spray. See different airbrushes are there. See, both is a round, but when we draw the line shape is different. It is dark and it is little bit light. We will see what is the difference in that. It is more dark. And last one tool is clear? Using the brush tool. How to use the brush tool? Select the brush tool. Select the brush tool. By the left click on it. Then select the shape and size from the option. Firstly click here and select the size and shape, and the mouse pointer will change to selected shape, and afterwards bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area and draw the object as required. Finish. Now airbrush tool. Airbrush tool. Brush tool and airbrush tool. The airbrush tool is used to spray different color on the drawing. Now only we see this airbrush tool. Where is the airbrush tool? In the brush tool there is one option, it is airbrush tool. How to take this, how to select and how to draw, we will see here. Step 1 is select the airbrush tool. Select the airbrush tool. Where it is? It is in a brush tool, and when we click on the brush tool, one option will then downside different shapes and size will be appear, and we want to take now airbrush tool. Select the airbrush tool from the brushes. Which option? Brushes. On the ribbon, by the left click on it. How to select it? Click the mouse left button. Bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. Bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. It is the drawing area. Bring the mouse pointer afterwards inside the drawing area. The mouse pointer will change to this side. Mouse pointer will be changed to this side, and then select the size of the spray. Select the size of the spray, and then press and drag the mouse pointer where the color is to be filled. Firstly we will draw these shapes, and afterwards we will take a new file. It is shape, and we want to color it by using the airbrush tool. Where is the airbrush tool option? In a brushes, and it is the airbrush. You can see when your mouse pointer will be there, the downside name will be displayed, airbrush, and then spray it. How to spray? We will take different color first. How to spray? Press the mouse left button and then drag the mouse. Continuously press the mouse. If you leave the mouse button, then we cannot draw the line. For a small place, if you want to give color, then airbrush is useful. Clear? Here also we can choose different color, and we will give the color. For each and everything we must have to press the mouse left button, then and then we can give the color. Without pressing the mouse left button, we cannot give color, we cannot draw the shape. Clear? What is the use of airbrush tool? The airbrush tool is used to spray the different color on the drawing for spraying. How to select it? Select the airbrush tool from the brushes on the ribbon by left clicking on it. Bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. Then third one, the mouse pointer will change to this sign. Which sign? You can see here. This sign. And then select the size of the spray and press and drag the mouse pointer where the color is to be filled. Where we want to give the color, take the mouse pointer there. Till here clear everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Good. We will save. How to save it? Airbrush tool. We will give name airbrush tool. Now new. How to take a new? Click on the paint button and then afterward take a new option. Next tool is text tool. Text tool, by using pencil tool also we can write the spelling, but you can see it is not clear, it is not looking good. Instead of using the pencil for writing, we can use the text tool. We can use the text tool. If you want to write a text means what? Text means what? Letter. Means suppose we want to write our name. Then by using pencil tool also we can draw. But by using pencil tool it is not looking good. It is not looking clear. Instead of using the pencil, if we use the text tool, then it is look good. What is the use of text tool? Text tool is used to write text in the drawing area. Where we are writing in the drawing area. Step. How to take a text tool? Select the A text tool from the text toolbox. Which option is for text tool? A. Second one, draw the mouse pointer on the screen to create a dotted frame. Like that frame, firstly we have to create. And a blinking cursor appear in it. When we draw this type of box, then inside one cursor will be appear. This is called the text frame. It is called as a text frame. Before typing the text, select the font size or font style of the text before writing. After writing we cannot change. Before writing, select the font size, font style and font style. Afterwards, the text can be now typed in the text frame. It is a text frame. After selecting the font size, font style and font type, then write the whatever we want. When the typing of the text is finished, click outside to make the text permanent. Firstly we must have to write like that box. It is called as a dotted frame and this frame is called as a text frame. Then afterward select the font size, font style, and then when our writing is finished, then click the mouse outside. What is the important? The text, font, size and style cannot be changed after typing if the mouse is clicked outside. When this dotted frame is there, then we can change the font size, font style. When we click the outside, what is the last step? To click the outside. Whenever we click the outside, then afterwards we cannot change the font size and font style and font of the text also. Clear? Now we will draw. Where is A? It is in a tool option. A. How to select it? Take the cursor here and press the mouse left button. You can see this. When pencil is there, it is showing pencil. When brush is there, it is showing brush, airbrush. And now what we want, text, then select it. You can see it is showing as a eye. How we are drawing the different tools, same like that, different shape. How we can draw the different shape? Take the mouse in drawing area and press the mouse left button. Same like that. Firstly we have to draw the text frame. How to draw it? Press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. You can see, and this small blinking line is cursor. Now firstly we will take the font, then we will change the font size, and it is the bold, italic and underline. Bold means what? It is a bold. Bold means dark. Italic means the whatever we are writing it little bit slanted, and U means what? Underline. Underline to the text. My name is. My name is. It is. Now if you don't want this underline effect, then select it and press here, then underline is not here now. Why? Because this is not selected. Select it, and suppose we don't want this italic effect, then click here, then we can see this italic effect is also not here. And if you don't want this dark, then click here. It is not a dark. Clear? How to write? We will do one more time. Click on the A, then drag the mouse. Firstly take the mouse to the drawing area and drag the mouse. Continuously press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. Afterward select the font size and which effect we want. We will write same, or we will write tool name. Firstly we will write brush tool. Then for going to next line we will use which key? Good, enter key. Then airbrush tool. And for going to next line, enter key, then text tool. We can change color of this selected text. How to change? Firstly select it and give color. Then second one, give color. For each and everything we must have to select it. Then select it. When we press this outside, when we click on the outside, then we cannot change. We cannot do any changes. If I click here, then I cannot do any changes. I cannot select also. Clear? What we discussed in this period about the pencil tool, brush tool, airbrush tool and text tool. And what is the homework for you? Read the lesson and underline the hard words. Remaining part we will see in next period. Thank you.